Me, Avia, and today we're going to be doing a drawing video. And yeah, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And make sure to turn those notification bells on so that you get uploaded whenever we post a new video. And today we actually are going to be drawing a farm. And I also got this new drawing kit. And yeah, let's get on to the video. The things that you're gonna need today is crayons. You don't need these, but yeah, I want you to have a marker maybe and some markers. If you want, you can use crayons. You don't have to use these or markers. You can just use crayons. So let's get right into this video. Okay. Alright, farm. So let's do one line like this. Like that, just one line. Just this real fast. There we go. So one line, and then one line right here. And then one line down here. Then we're going to draw the roof. One triangle up, like that. And then one triangle straight down. That's going to be the farmhouse. Make sure to draw some windows. So we're going to draw one line. Then we'll draw another line right here. And then a line straight down and then across. Just like that. And then we'll draw one more. One, down, straight, across. Then we'll draw one line like that. And then one line across. Like that. Now we're going to draw the door. First you're going to draw a door like this. Line. Straight across, down, and I'm going to draw a little dot. Just like that, guys. I'm going to adjust the, little. Alright, there we go. The adjustments are done. So now, we're just going to draw little farm animals. Actually, I'm going to use my drawing kit for this. Let me see. This is dinosaurs. I need the one. Oh, here it is. So it makes me, it helps for my drawing. Alright, so we got a rabbit, we got a big dog, we got a sheep, we got a pig, we got a chicken. What is this called? I forget what it's called. We got a squirrel, we got a whatever, I don't know what that's called. And we also got a flying eagle, we got a bunch, we got a chick, we got a lot of stuff. We also have a horse. So what I always see, we're drawing the pen. So that's what we're gonna be doing first. So first actually we're gonna draw the pond. So pond like right over here. Like that, a big circle. Then we're gonna, you can make that black. I think I'm gonna make this black. Then I'm just going to trace over the house. You guys can color in the pond. I'm going to do this real fast. I like it so that you guys can see it better. Perfect. Okay. I think I'm going to use this color. So let's start getting on drawing the pond. You could do it a green, blue, but I like ponds to be like a greenish teal. Like a bluish, it's like teal. Like, that's how I like ponds. Drawing a farm with you guys. I'm done with the pond. I think we're going to be drawing the house. What color should we do our house today? It's not really going to be a house. It's going to be a farmhouse. So what do we need? We need, I think it's the roof is going to be like a, just gonna think, brown, and then the bottom is going to be red. Okay, so let's get our blue and red out. I just need to look for my red. Here's my red. Where's my brown? And then I have my brown. Alright, so let's get drawing again. Roof is brown. Remember, you guys, the roof is brown. Other one is red. Follow the steps after me. You guys might mess up. I don't want you to, because then you have to start all over again. Hate for you guys to do that. Okay. Now we're going to draw the bottom. Like a really cool farmhouse. Sorry, it takes a little bit. After this, if you guys are already done, you guys can draw the animals. But I'm still working on my farmhouse. I don't care what farm animals you do, but I think I'm going to do a bunch of farm animals. Because what is a farm? What is a farm with no animals? Is it just going to be a playground? Is it just going to be a pond? What is it? Comment down below what video we should do next. Boom! I just finished my, hold on, did not finish quite yet. Alright, the door you're going to be drawing that red or brown. I'm going to do mine red. Doors are red. Next, we're going to draw the animals. If you guys are already drawing animals, I'm going to draw me with a bunch of people, maybe, like my cousins, my brother, my dad. I'm going to tell you all my family. So I have my brother, my dad, my mom, and me. And then I have a lot of fish. Not a lot, too many. Not like too many, but I have a couple of fish. Now I'm going to draw me, my brother, and my mom, and my dad. Maybe some other people. And my aunts, my uncles. You can make sure I draw you. Once you can draw you, I'm drawing me, my family. Okay, now one more person in my family, and that's my brother. Mom, so I have a bunch of extra people. Gosh. Okay. So I have everyone's holding hands. Maybe everyone will be holding hands. Okay, so I'm going to show you my paper a little bit. My dad, my mom, me, and my little brother. He's not little, he's actually in first grade. That means he is 6. Okay, I'm gonna draw my brother's shirt. Hold on. My brother's so small. I didn't have a lot of space. Mine is gonna be like pink. My mom's, let's see, what color should my mom's be? It could be any color. Gray. I don't have gray. Do I? Let me see if I have some gray. You know what? My mom's shirt is going to be red, like the farm. Fine, I'll just use my pencil to color her shirt. Hooray. And my dad, his favorite color, I think is green, so he's gonna have a black or green shirt. I think green. And then we're gonna draw their faces. I have not finished their face. Dot, dot, nose, mouth. Dot, dot, nose, mouth. Ready, set, dot, dot, nose, mouth. Dot, dot, nose, mouth. And there! I did not draw my family. I almost said I just need their hair. So my brothers and my hair and my mom's are like a yellow, like a dark yellow. Mom's hair is long. Mine's actually short, so mine's short. And then I think my dad's hair is like a brown or black. I'll do brown because I think it is brown. A dark brown. Just red. I don't want red. I want brown. You actually might have. Please make it work. Please. My dad's hair has a red hair. I'm done. I'll show you guys mine. This is my dad, my mom, me, and my brother. My brother and my mom too. My dad looks like a red-headed guy. It's funny. Okay. Next, farm animals. This in a pond. What should be in the pond again? I forget. Oh yeah, the duck, the yellow duck. So yeah, take your time, guys, and draw your duck or whatever you guys want. But mine, a duck. And I'm gonna trace over it with the pencil. So that you guys can see. Not the best trace thing. Next one, draw that little eyeball. Next one, color it in yellow. Make sure you don't draw blue, yellow. Well, not blue, but yellow. Because ducks are yellow or blue. Actually, you guys can do any color. I forgot. But mostly ducks are yellow. And then I'm going to draw a chick. So cute. Chick. A big chicken. My chicken does not look good. I'm just gonna hurry up and color again. Hopefully that makes it better. I do not like my chicken. I like chickens. Turn this. my chickens because they're light. Look how big the little chick is. Like a big chick. I think it might be having a baby. Alrighty then. Now we're gonna draw the pen. Like the little fence thing. It's for the bunny, guys. The bunny needs to be in this family. So wait. Bunny ears are always pink. Well, some of it. Some their ears are pink. Now what should the be? Now what can the next thing be? I'm just drawing the fence brown because fences are usually brown. What? I know. No horses, well, some horses, but I know there is a lot of goats because I went to a farm one time and there was so many goats. At least, not 15, at least 20 goats. We're not going to draw 20 goats because that's way too many. We're just going to draw a couple of goats. I mean, is it goats or sheep? It's goats, yes, you're right. Really? Wait, do I even have any goats? Oh, let me see if I have any goats, guys. That looks like a goat. You know what? I think it's a goat. Yep, it's a goat. I think I'm only going to draw one goat because I just don't have a lot of space. Just tracing it, guys. I'm not going ahead. Goats are usually brown. I think I'm going to draw a little black goat because at the farm I saw a goat. It was so cute. So I'm drawing a little black goat. If I even have black. Hope I do. Please, I'm cross my fingers and cross your toes. And cross your eyeballs. Black, because I really want black, Look guys, I bet you guys can see black right here. No, this is not black. I don't think you guys can see, but it's actually not black. It's not, it's green. I guess we're gonna have to do that. Look, right after, probably right after. The coloring, I probably see black. No, I don't feel, because I do not want to mess up. Eyes. Right there, I probably messed up. I don't have eyes. It's so cute. This is mine so far, guys. I just wanted to show you guys up close. So there's my bunny. There's my pond. This is my chickens. And this is my family. This is the barn. This is the sheep. And yeah, that's it for the video, guys. And I hope you love it. I'm going to do one more thing and then just draw the fence brown. on this video. It was a pretty long video. It's pretty long. Alright, so take your time, put everything away. And yeah, if you guys want to keep on drawing, you can. If you guys messed up, it's okay. Just watch this video again. And I hope you love it. Thanks for watching. And yeah, let me put everything of my stuff away, and then that's it for the videos. The go-to. That's it for the video, guys. And I hope you loved it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Comment down below what video we should do next.